Welcome to Ilagan Whiteboard Friday, where we look at complex legal and compliance issues in a simple to do way. This series is brought to you by Ilagan, your partner and provider of end-to-end business services.
I want to talk about today moonlighting. A lot of people are out there. There's a question about moonlighting. For people who don't know, is working at night or evening or weekends to build your startup while they still have a day job that they're working on. How acceptable ethically it is, or legally, ethically? What are your thoughts on that?
So it is. It's done all the time. You do have to follow certain rules not to contaminate the intellectual property or IP. For example, do not use resources at work. Do not use printers at work to print things. Try to totally separate and don't use any resources or knowledge or documents from work, because you don't want the company to come back and say you stole something. Now, technically, you have to read your employment agreement. Some employment agreement prohibit any activity outside. Some are a little bit to give you more flexibility if it's not directly connected to the business.
Yeah.
But I suggest that meeting with a lawyer and reviewing your employment document you sign is a good practice. And then always keep a very separate line between using it. But it's commonly done because this is how you refine your thinking and do some market research. And I think it's okay to do morally as long as you're not stealing from your current employer.
Yeah. By the way, I would also recommend, if you guys have not seen, a movie called Rocket Singh. Rocket Singh. It is a movie.
Rocket Singh?
Yeah.
Like Sardarji.
Sardarji.
Ah,
so there is this Sardarji who does moonlighting at work. But he gets into trouble for exactly the same reasons, because he was using the phone from the office, the fax machine and everything else. So watch that before you moonlight. Definitely, I'll recommend that for you also.